Doral, Florida, is known for its warm climate, beautiful homes, and vibrant community. As a homeowner in Doral, you likely appreciate how important it is to keep your property well maintained and comfortable year-round. One often overlooked aspect of home improvement is upgrading your windows. Whether your current windows are outdated, damaged, or simply not performing as well as they should, upgrading them offers numerous benefits. Here are the top reasons to consider window upgrades for your Doral home. Enhanced energy efficiency. With Doral's hot and humid climate, energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners. Older or poorly insulated windows can allow heat to seep in, forcing your air conditioning system to work harder and driving up your energy bills. Modern energy-efficient windows, featuring double or triple panes, low-E coatings, and insulated frames, can help reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler and lowering your energy costs. By upgrading your windows, you'll enjoy a more comfortable home and save money on utilities. Improved indoor comfort. Have you ever noticed that certain rooms in your home become unbearably hot during the day, while others remain cool? This inconsistency is often caused by inefficient windows that allow heat to enter or escape. Upgrading to high-performance windows can eliminate drafts and improve temperature regulation throughout your home, creating a more comfortable living environment. Whether it's keeping the heat out in the summer or retaining warmth during cooler months, upgraded windows make a significant difference. Increased home value. If you're thinking about selling your Doral home in the future, window upgrades can be a wise investment. Prospective buyers are often attracted to homes with energy-efficient features and modern aesthetics. Upgraded windows can increase your home's resale value and boost its curb appeal. Plus, many buyers are willing to pay more for a home that offers lower utility bills and improved comfort. By upgrading your windows, you can make your property stand out in a competitive real estate market. Better noise reduction. Doral is a bustling community, and while that vibrancy can be exciting, it can also come with noise from traffic, neighbors, and outdoor activities. Upgrading to noise-reducing windows can help create a quieter indoor environment, providing you and your family with a more peaceful space to relax and unwind. Multi-pane windows and those designed with acoustic insulation are particularly effective at minimizing outside noise, turning your home into a more serene sanctuary. Increased home security. Modern windows often come with enhanced security features, such as reinforced glass, advanced locking mechanisms, and impact-resistant options. Upgrading your windows can make your home more secure against break-ins and severe weather. For Doral residents, hurricane protection is especially important, as the area is susceptible to storms. Impact-resistant windows can withstand strong winds and flying debris, keeping your home and family safe during extreme weather conditions. Reduced maintenance effort. If you're tired of dealing with peeling paint, warped frames, or windows that stick and are difficult to open, it's time to consider an upgrade. Many modern windows are designed for easy cleaning and maintenance, featuring durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum. Upgraded windows resist wear and tear, reducing the need for frequent repairs and giving you more time to enjoy your home. Enhanced curb appeal. Windows play a significant role in your home's exterior appearance. Upgrading to stylish, modern windows can transform the look of your home, giving it a fresh and inviting appeal. Whether you choose sleek, minimalist designs, elegant bay windows, or custom shapes, new windows can instantly boost your home's curb appeal, making it more attractive to neighbors and passers-by. Protection from UV rays. Did you know that harmful UV rays from the sun can fade your furniture, flooring, and interior decor? Modern windows with UV-blocking coatings can protect your home's interiors from sun damage while still allowing natural light to filter in. This can help preserve the beauty of your furnishings and reduce the need to replace sun-damaged items, saving you money in the long run. Eligibility for tax credits and incentives. In many cases, upgrading to energy-efficient windows may qualify you for tax credits, rebates, or other incentives. Check with local utility companies or government programs to see if you're eligible for savings when you make energy-efficient improvements to your home. These incentives can offset some of the upfront costs of upgrading your windows, making it an even more worthwhile investment. Environmental benefits. By reducing your energy consumption with upgraded windows, you're also contributing to a greener environment. Energy-efficient windows help lower your carbon footprint by reducing the demand for electricity, which often comes from non-renewable sources. Making eco-friendly choices like upgrading your windows demonstrates your commitment to sustainability and can inspire others in your community to do the same. Conclusion. Window upgrades offer numerous benefits for homeowners in Doral, from enhanced energy efficiency and comfort to increased security and aesthetic appeal. By investing in modern, high-performance windows, you'll not only enjoy a more beautiful and comfortable home but also reap the long-term rewards of lower energy bills, reduced maintenance, and increased property value. Consider upgrading your windows today to transform your home and enhance your lifestyle.